we're going to continue learning about a new planet. You remember? We're going to make a brief review. We already learned about astronomer. Astronomer is the scientist that studies the universe. Astronomer. We learn about astronaut. Astronaut is the person that goes to the moon or goes in space missions. We learn about solar system. You remember the solar system? How many planets does the solar system has? ¿Cuántos planetas tiene el solar system? 8. 8 planets. Remember, the solar system has 8 planets. And we have learned about the giant star. What is the name of the giant star? The sun. Very good. The sun is a giant star. We learn about the stars, about constellations, about Earth, about the moon, and today we're going to learn about a new planet. Are you ready to explore a new planet? Okay, the new planet is Mars. We're going to learn about Mars. Yes, Mars by Vanessa Black. The story's name for today is Mars by Vanessa Black. Small and red. Mars is small and red. What color? Red. Very good, red. What is the 4th planet from the sun? Mars. Yes, the 4th planet from the sun is Mars. Remember, Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and after Earth it comes Mars. Is a small and red planet. Small and red. It is red. Why? Why is Mars red? Imagine if we lived in a red planet. Oh, wow. So it is red, but why? The soil has iron in it. Iron make it look red. This is the soil. Esa es la tierra que hay en Mars. Y la tierra tiene iron, tiene un mineral que se llama iron. Y ese iron hace que Mars se vea red. So remember, Mars soil has iron, and that iron makes Mars look red. Mars is small. Mars is super small. It is half the size of the Earth. Is half size of the Earth. Look, half size of the Earth is Mars. Mars es la mitad de pequeño que la Tierra. Earth is bigger than Mars. Mars is small. It has 2 moons. Mars has 2 moons. How many moons does Earth has? ¿Cuántas moons tiene Earth? You remember? 1. Yes, it's the one we see every night. Es la luna que vemos todos los días en la noche. The Earth has 1 moon. 1. Remember? Y esa que miramos es la luna de Earth. 1 moon. But Mars has 2 moons. Look over here. 1 and 2. Mars has 2 moons. Look up. You can see Mars at night. It is bright. It's bright. Some scientists says we can see Mars at night. It's super bright. That's Mars. Mars is very cold. It has ice caps. Mars is not warm and it's not hot as Mercury. Mars is cold. Why do you think it's cold? ¿Por qué creen que Mars es frío? Because it's far from the sun. Mars está lejos del sun, se está alejando cada vez más. So that's why it's cold. Mars is far away from the sun, so that's why it's cold. Y tiene, miren, capas de hielo, ice caps. Mars have ice caps, así como Alaska, creo yo. Mars, guess what? Mars has volcanoes. Yes. Such as Earth, así como en la Tierra, Mars has volcanoes. It has valleys, It has valleys also, like Comayagua. Who has been to Comayagua? Yes, Comayagua is a valley. It's a valley, es plano, es un valle, valley. So Mars also have valleys. How do we know? How do we know all of these things about Mars? Rovers. Rovers, they drive on Mars. Look, these are rovers. It's like a machine or kind of robot. This is kind of robot. Tiene cameras, tiene telescopes, tiene muchos instrumentos que nos ayudan a ver qué hay en Mars. This is a robot, rovers. And they move in Mars. Se mueven y manejan en Mars. Es como un robot, es un robot que está en Mars y ese nos da toda la información de Mars. They take photos and they help us learn. Look at the rovers. Repeat after me, rovers. Yes, rovers are these things that are in Mars. Estos robots o estas herramientas están en Marte. Y eso hace que nos dé información y sepamos qué hay en Mars, ¿ok? So rovers give us information about Mars. No one has been on Mars yet. Maybe it will be you. Nadie ha ido a Mars todavía. Ninguna persona ha ido a Mars. Maybe when you grow up and you study to be astronomer or scientist and you become an astronaut, then you can go and be the first to go to Mars. Would you like to go to Mars? ¿Quién quisiera ir a Mars? Wow, like that girl. Look, that small little astronaut. And this is Mars. Colorín colorado, este cuento, ¿cierto?